Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on upgrading your diagnostic workflow. We'll explore a practical playbook for integrating generative AI into your IT support, DevOps, and consulting operations. Think of AI as a junior engineer who has read everything but needs your direction. When you provide the human context, the AI can perform the heavy lifting to deliver actionable outputs. We are shifting away from rigid hard coding toward fluid natural language instructions. While traditional software breaks on edge cases, AI logic adapts, allowing humans to act as context providers rather than just syntax writers. Generative AI integrates directly into three core IT domains: technical support, DevOps, and IT consulting, streamlining tasks from ticket summarization to complex documentation. In technical support, we can replace slow, manual search loops with instant root cause analysis. By processing tickets directly, the AI engine can suggest resolution steps immediately. For DevOps, parsing chaotic server logs becomes manageable through an AI triage funnel. This organizes operational noise into discrete diagnostic hypotheses, helping you isolate issues faster. In IT consulting, AI helps translate vague client requests into structured technical architectures. This capability bypasses showers of manual requirement analysis in just a few seconds. The primary toolset for the augmented professional includes ChatGPT for general tasks like documentation and debugging, and specialized tools like GitHub Copilot for code completion and inline fixes. Here is an example of an AI-assisted snippet inside an IDE. The human defines the intent, and the AI synthesizes complex syntax instantly, saving time on documentation lookups. Let's walk through a real-world scenario, diagnosing a 401 unauthorized error. Our goal is to identify the root cause, build steps, and write a client response in under 2 minutes. In the first two phases, we use the AI to perform root cause analysis, identifying potential issues like expired tokens or credential mismatches, then generate clear troubleshooting steps. Finally, we translate those technical findings into a professional email response. With this approach, you can complete all three tasks: analysis, fix, and communication in less than 2 minutes. This is the augmentation equation. Human context combined with AI processing results in significantly higher productivity. It doesn't replace engineers. It removes friction, allowing you to focus on logic and architecture. Follow this 4-day implementation playbook. Identify 10 daily problems, use AI to solve 3 of them, and then reflect on how to refine your prompts for better results. By adopting these methods, you set a new baseline for technical operations, reducing debugging time and documentation effort while resolving tickets faster. Remember, good prompts drive great engineering. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these strategies help you integrate AI into your daily workflow to boost productivity and improve technical outcomes.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.